Guys, what's going on? I'm with Anthony, my uncle. I'm with Paddy. We're in Jersey City. There's this dog event going on. It's called Dog Days of Summer. It's pretty cool, And yeah, we're just walking there right now. Looks like a little. We kind of passed by when we were trying to find parking, and it looked like a little, I don't know, like carnival thing for dogs. I don't know. It looked kind of cool. They had the street closed off. That's what it's called, Dog Fest. Isn't that cool? Regent Street, I think that's like right here. Hell yeah. Where's your dog?
Ran away. The kids are more fascinated by bubbles than dogs.
Yeah, I know. I don't think the dogs even know realize what that is. Like what the Oh my god. You're embarrassing. It's also an adoption event. So it's an adoption event too. So if you guys want to adopt a dog, I know this video is going to be in the past, so obviously you can't now, but maybe in the future when they have something like this again, looking to adopt a dog, you come here and look at them. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is pretty nice. I think it's just this, but yeah, it's pretty cool, you know, just a bunch of dogs hanging out. Like to them, this must be like the time of their lives, you know? Right, Paddy? Yeah. Look how much fun he's having. Look at that face. Oh, they got some free treats. Oh, Tubby's gonna like that.
Give him a treat, yeah.
$12.50.
And the 8-ounce bags are $35.
There you go, man.
25.
Oops. It's good. You like it? Nice. Has anyone ever told you they were gonna lick you silly?
Nice to be told.
Making friends, bro? Dog Academy. Look, if you see over there, there's a sign that says no pets allowed, but it's practically a dog park here. Oh. No, I didn't even know they really had that.
Yes, they have a pet hotel if you need a day away or a vacation.
That's pretty cool.
Would you like a ball or a frisbee?
Why don't you take a biscuit?
Yeah. You know, honestly, I wish he played with frisbees, but he would totally love a ball.
He likes this.
All right, yo, thank you, man. Awesome, Anthony. Jesus, it was a bad throw. I'm sorry.
It's a terrible.
Oh, my camera just got soaking wet. Yo, Paddy, go. What a cool spot, man. Look at this guy. Look at all the Frenchies here. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Hey, back off, Paddy.
Take a picture of your dog,
They're doing dog photography. This girl, I guess. Yeah, this could be my gig. I should be doing stuff like this.
There you go.
Right? God damn.
You missed your call.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, get a room.
This is the address to download your photo.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Oh. Hey, Paddy, get out of the shot.
Well, we can share that.
Yeah, we'll share this.
He knows. He's used to me, like, always taking his picture. Yeah. I feel like he does.
He's been perfect. Lots of tangles. So much.
Oh, thank you. Yo, Paddy likes him. Look at that. He'll eat anything, to be honest. Oh, or maybe not. Maybe not. What the hell? Did you guys come up with this design too? Yep. I love it. That's
I'm
awesome.
a graphic designer.
Hey, bud. Oh, he has two different color eyes. Look at his ears going out.
Lactose free, sugar free.
Thank you. Hey, Paddy, look. Check this out. Some yogurt. Yeah, you like that. There you go. How's that, buddy? Good?
No.
Yeah, the answer's show ID. Like he doesn't look old enough. You have to show some ID, man?
I don't know what the f they should.
Oh, this is pretty dope. What's up, man? Oh, there you go. You got a little pop out there. Whoa! That even scared me. Like, that dog would be like that, you know? Hey, who's that? Hey, that's not how you say hi. Hey, man.